Hey, how's it going, guys? My name is Pasha Kretsch, and in today's video, I'm going to be driving for Lyft. Right now, Lyft has a promotion for 20 rides. They will send me $200, and it's for this whole weekend, starting Friday at 9 p.m. and ending on Sunday at 11:59 p.m. And what I want to do in this video is drive 20 trips today, meaning in just one day, I collect this whole weekend bonus and see how much we earn. And with that being said, let's just get right into the video. And the idea for today's video is to see if maybe after your regular, Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, you can just do an extra day and make a bunch of extra money. And I am starting at 4:30 p.m. And now that we just went online, all we gotta do is just wait for new requests. So let's see how that goes. Now, the area that I'm currently in is the north suburbs of Atlanta, and I'm going to make my way downtown to get closer proximity to more people and hopefully shorter ride distances so I can stack more rides into the same amount of time. And here I am. We got our first request to pick up Mike. Per Lyft terms of service, you're supposed to wear a mask, which is what I'm doing right now. But first trip of the day is 35 minutes after I went online. The time now is 5:13. We made $375 on that trip, which isn't bad because it was only a 4-minute ride. And at this point, we're just waiting for more requests. And we just got our second request. It's 1 minute away from the pickup location, which is not bad at all. If I get lucky, I'll just keep getting 3-4 minute requests and be done with this whole 20 trip thing in 2 hours. Everything went well. We made $6.03. The time is now 5:39, which I guess isn't too bad. All right, so here we go. We got another one. 3 minutes away from a CVS pharmacy. We're obviously gonna take it. The time is now 5:45 and the person is here. So just finished the third trip of the day, and I had a little bit of an issue with the customer trying to cram 5 people in this little Hyundai Sonata. That's not how it works. As far as I know, you can only put 3 people if you're ordering a Lyft. That's not necessarily meant to carry 5 people. So I had to leave some feedback in order to make sure that I'm not gonna have negative feedback coming my way. And now all we gotta do is just wait on more requests and see how that goes. The time now is exactly 6 p.m. And this ride itself earned me $4.68. Now that I've been sitting here for 5 minutes, I zoomed out of the map and I see there is a busy area that I'm gonna navigate to now so that I can get more requests. Here we go, just got another request for the pickup, 2 minutes away, so it's not too bad. And we're gonna go and get that passenger right now. Made a $6.65 on this fourth request of the day. Just gonna be waiting for more requests. Almost ready. And right now the time is 6:32. So far we've made $23.11, which is not great considering that it's been 2 hours now. Now I just got a Surge Zone request saying that if I get there, I'm gonna be making $270 plus for the next ride. And I'm assuming getting off and driving that direction might end up making more money for myself. So we're navigating there. I am 7 minutes away. Now here we are in this boosted zone. The earnings are constantly going up as long as you stay in this box, which is what my plan here is. And let's just see how high up we can get. And here we go. Just got this request for Shannon. She is 3 minutes away. Heading her way now. And on that trip, we're gonna make $3.17 extra because of that boosted zone. The thing that I'm scared the most of whenever I'm taking people in my car literally just happened. Somebody defecated in my seat. Like, my rear seat literally has feces on it. I don't think I want to continue doing this today. I don't think I want to do this ever again, to be honest. And after contemplating life and all my decisions, I stopped by a place where they do like deep cleaning and things of that nature and got everything cleaned up really fast actually, and decided to keep on going until 10 p.m. Just finished one more ride for $9.08. And we already got another request from the same place where I just dropped off, 3 minutes away, picking up Alex. Just finished one more request for $375, and we already got another one. It's literally 1 minute down the street, which is really not bad. And we're almost there, so shouldn't be too bad. Well, just finished one more delivery, $375 for that one as well. And we already got a request for the new one. It's only 1 minute away. I guess coming to Atlanta was a decent choice from the perspective of ride density. Currently we're sitting at 10 rides, $75.83, which is not bad. And time now is 8:30 p.m. Just finished one more ride, got paid $11 on it, and off to looking for more rides now. And we just got one more ride request, picking up somebody from Dollar Tree that is 10 miles away. And realistically speaking, it's probably not worth it. It is 8 miles to drive to the pickup location, so I highly doubt that this request is worth it. And just completed that ride. Have no clue how much it paid, but probably not enough. The only reason I don't know is because Lyft stacked another ride before I dropped this person off, and now we're on the way to pick him up. It's 5 mile drive to pick him up, 11 minutes, and the time now is 9:31. Here I am done with that trip as well. It brought me all the way back to downtown Atlanta, which is what I wanted to do, and it paid me $14.25. And right now the time is 10:16, and I'm sitting at $105.02. 13 trip requests so far, 7 more to go. I'm going to go home because that would mean I've been out for the whole 6 hours, and right now I'm sitting at 13 trips, so I'll just do the 7 tomorrow. And then tomorrow I'm going to finish 7 more trips just so that I can get that $200, because without that $200 it makes no sense to drive, to be completely honest with you. And now that it's a new day, let's go online. The time is now 12:15 p.m. We're gonna go online, and just like before, we're gonna head towards a more densely populated area, but we are already online, and hopefully we'll get a request earlier than we get to the densely populated area. Now we just got our first request. The time is now 12:23, and they're only 6 minutes away, meaning that we're gonna be there very, very soon, and it's really not bad at all. I mean, way better than yesterday. Sitting there, 40-some minutes without a request. Here we got our first request 8 minutes after we went online. First trip of the day is complete. We got $375 for it. And now we are just waiting on the new ride. However, a search zone just popped up saying that if we get there and be in that area, so we're gonna get at least $369 for the next trip, meaning that we are headed that way. But if we get a new request for a trip before we get to the zone where we get extra money, I will take it, because we're not really looking for that $369. We're looking for the $200 extra for that 20 trips. Right now we are sitting at $4.03 for that bonus. And the time now is, by the way, 12:44 p.m. And here we go. The time is 12:52. And we got the second request for a 6:41 bonus from this zone. Let's go pick up Jasmine. According to my map, it's going to take 14 minutes to go and get her. Now we are at the customer's pickup location. Just waiting on the customer. Shouldn't take too long, hopefully. We just finished that trip, and we already have another one. For this one, we made $11.49 with that bonus. And that next one disappeared. Weird. But it is what it is. And all we gotta do now is just wait for the next trip request, and we're gonna be good to go. Now, one more thing that we just got is a $15 streak, just like yesterday, saying that if we complete 3 trips in a row, we get an extra $15, and we have already completed 1 towards that streak, which is nice. Extra $15 would be pretty good, considering that the time is 1:20 and we only sitting at $17.24. So before expenses, $17.24 an hour after expenses, you're probably sitting at 8. So I'll do the math whenever I get home, so stay tuned until the end of the video. And if I can ask you to like this video and maybe subscribe to my channel, that'd be great. And with that being said, I guess let's just keep on waiting on the trip request. And while I'm waiting on trip request, since I was already in the area, I decided to get a car wash. So here I am washing my car. Got another trip request as soon as I got out of a car wash, which is perfect. And just like that, that trip is already done. Just got one more request, and it is 6 minutes away for the pickup. I'm not sure exactly where the drop-off is. Like I said, there are no details on trip requests until you become Gold with Lyft. And I genuinely hope that this is a short ride, because the shorter the rides, the more I can stack in a short period of time. And with that being said, let's head on out to the location for the pickup and see how that goes. So much for being a short trip. I'm all the way in downtown now, which was a 48-minute ride. I only need 3 more trips until I get that $200 bonus. So hopefully we're gonna get there fairly soon. It's been 20 minutes since I finished the previous ride, and I have yet to receive a single request. And according to this map, I'm in the busy zone. So what's going on? And as I was complaining for not getting a ride request, we just got one 2 minutes away, picking them up. I'm hoping to get 2 more rides in the next 30 minutes after I complete this one. And there we are. We just finished that trip request. It paid $7.40 on the trip. And then we also received an $8 tip on it, which is pretty good for that. Now all we need is just 2 more rides, and right now it is 3:03 p.m., meaning that maybe if I get lucky enough, I'll get them in the next half an hour. And we finally got a Lyft request. The time is now 3:40, and we are going to go pick them up real quick. And hopefully it's not a bad request, and I get a new one right after that. Hopefully. Only took us 10 minutes. The time is now 15:50, and we made $3.75 on it. We just need 1 more request. Currently we're sitting at $77.31 for today, and total is $182.33 for today and yesterday, and we've been online for 9 hours and 38 minutes. So if hopefully in the next 22 minutes I manage to complete 1 more ride, it would bring us over to almost $400. And we just got our final request, 2 minutes away, but they are actually literally right there. So I'm gonna pick them up. I'm gonna say that it's our last ride. And just like that, the time is now 6:23, and the total earnings for the day are $284.57, and the total earnings including yesterday is $389.56, and the time online is 10 hours and 10 minutes. So I'm gonna be on my way home now, and as soon as I get there, I'm gonna get into more numbers and more details as far as how much I've made and all of that fun stuff. It is gonna be important for me to get some gas so I can fuel up. I had a full tank yesterday, and I only drove full Lyft, and that will give me a good understanding of how much money I spent on gas doing this. Now here's the summary. As far as the mileage goes, I drove 161 miles the first day, and then 124 miles the second day. Now, with that being said, I got 20 miles to the gallon, meaning that my fuel economy was okay. And then from the perspective of fuel, as you saw, I filled up $50. Now, $50 of gas is a lot, but with the bonus bringing us all the way to $389, it ended up being decent. And the cleaning place literally only took $40 to clean my car, because they were really nice and they just felt really bad for me, to be honest. And then as far as the tax deduction, we get $162.96
cents deducted from our taxable income, bringing our taxable income down to $226. Now, without being said and out of the way, if you do like this video, please leave a like, and I'll see you on the next one.